Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, July 20th. I'm looking forward to seeing some of you tomorrow at the CME. Look forward to saying hi. And let's talk about what's going on in these markets. You see some softness in these stock indices. We did have, we had Travelers and we had American Express, not really giving everyone what they were looking for in terms of earnings. But also, we had Trump's comments. I just want you to know that typically the last three presidents, did not talk about the Fed's policy, monetary policy. However, presidents before that, Nixon, George H. Bush, they had comments to the Fed. So it's not unusual. It's just typically they don't comment it because it is an independent branch. And also the independents come into play because it's not funded by congressional approval. However, it's an opinion. Trump also said that he respects its independence. But and they have raised interest rates 5 times since he's been president. I don't think we're never at a spot where it's going to choke off economic growth, but anyways, those are the comments, and I think that's just it. They're comments. If you can see here in Asia, they're starting to firm up. I do look for follow through to the upside in the NASDAQ market. Let's move on over to the dollar. And you can see in the euro, it's also bouncy. It was breaking. The dollar was getting stronger, and then when everything else kind of fell apart, the dollar got weaker too, and you can see the euro firming up. This does imply follow-through to the upside in that market. Over here in Japanese yen, it traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change, $1,812.50. The next bearish level, $88.90. And again, just to give you an idea of what that represents. Aussie dollar, that magnitude change, since it traded above the bullish level, is $150 a contract. I'm looking for an inside day in that market. Let's move on over to interest rates. Again, 10-year notes did exactly what they should do. I just do not look for follow-through to the upside. I think Asia time zone has it right. I'm looking for a down day in that market. Let's move on over to gold. Very bouncy. It has gotten low enough to find those buyers, but can they follow through? I don't think so. I'm looking for an inside day in that market. And in crude oil, we traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change in that market is $3,450 a contract. Again, just to give you an idea what that represents. But I look for still movement to the upside, but we got some big challenges ahead, as we talked about in the advanced video. But let's take a look at natural gas. It traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change that you see in that market's $500 a contract, and I'm looking for an inside to only slightly higher move in that market. Beans trying to work its way higher. I'm cautious of this market. I don't look for a dramatic move to the upside. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow, and also seeing those of you who are coming to the CME. So, take care.